Well, hi there. I have another side dish for you this morning, and it's for Thanksgiving, or it can be for any time. Well, this year for Thanksgiving, I know a lot of folks are downsizing their invites because of the bad virus that's going around. We have canceled our Thanksgiving until Christmas. Hopefully things will be better. Just gave out notices yesterday. So for downsizing, I'd like to share with you an air fryer sweet potato, and it can serve two, and you can also double this recipe. It's very easy. All you need is one sweet potato. That's right, just one sweet potato, some black pepper to your taste, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and a half a teaspoon of paprika smoked, and a teaspoon of olive oil, and an air fryer. And I'm using my Instant Vortex Air Fryer 6-quart today. So let me just get a few more things ready and I'll bring you along. And we'll see if we can find Maggie May. I don't know where she is. Maggie, are you here? Maggie May. Oh, there she is, folks. Can you see her? Hey, Maggie. She's sitting down right beside me. Okay, I'll bring you back. Okay, just wanted to show you, I cubed these up and I just measured, and this is about 1 inch right here. 1 inch. And this here is the other half of the potato. This is one potato. And this is how I cut it. I just went like this and like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. You can keep the peelings on, or you can take the peelings off. Whatever you prefer. It's a lot of vitamins if you leave the potato skins on. Just like this. There. And there you have it. And let me just get my ruler here just to make sure. And there's the 1 inch mark right there. So we're about 1 inch right there. Pretty good, huh? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put it in your air fryer, and I have mine right here. And here's my basket. We put it like this so you guys can see everything. Okay, here's my air fryer basket right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put them in. You could coat this in a bowl first, but you're going to shake this a couple of times. Or you could put it in a bag and mix it up with the oil, but I thought it would be just as easy to do it this way. I'm not saying it's the right way, but it's a Grammie twist my way. Oh, Maggie May's down there. She's eating a carrot. Actually, I gave her 3 carrots to keep her busy. She's doing really well this morning. Oh, we got a peeling right there. That's okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a tablespoon or a teaspoon. I don't think a teaspoon's gonna work, but we'll try it. A teaspoon of olive oil, which I have right here. And we're just gonna drizzle it, just like this. Drizzle it. And I think what I'm going to do is I am going to go a step further. And I don't see any Teflon. I'm just going to take my hands like this and just kind of coat them up. Just like that. And these are going to be crispy, a little crispy, which gives it a nice little crunch. But I'm just going to add a little drizzle. I did 1 teaspoon, and then I'm just going to drizzle over the top of them. Just like that. And then this is where we're gonna come in. We're gonna put pepper into your liking. Now, I don't normally salt and pepper my food, but this time I am. Because Mr. R really won't be eating too many of these. Just like this. And then it says a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Right here I have coarse kosher salt. A half a teaspoon. And we're just gonna go like this. Okay, and a half a teaspoon of the paprika smoked. And I had just happened to buy this for the holidays. I don't know if you can see it without a glare. Excuse me, still fighting my little bacteria, my infection here. Okay, we're gonna go just like this. Oh, the season's gonna get me coughing. That's all right. Smells really good though. Just like that. So we got the sweet potato, the pepper, the kosher salt, and the paprika smoked, and the olive oil. Then we're gonna, this is what it's gonna look like, and then we're gonna give it a good shake. We're gonna shake it. Okay, then we're gonna put it in for 10 minutes. Move things around. I want you to be able to see everything. Oops, we've got a couple here. Put them right in. We're gonna shake it. My cord's long enough. Whoops, not quite. Let me see if I can get it a little longer here. Maybe I can't, maybe I can. Stand on my head here. I guess I can't. I'll just push it up a little bit more, like that. Oops, I think some just let go. Perfect. Okay, so it says to hit the bake, and we want to go to 400, the temperature. Well, time 10 minutes. Temperature, we want to go 400. And we're going to start it. Hear it? There we go. I'll bring you back. I'm gonna shake it one time in between, then I'll bring you back. Giving it a good shake. They're just about done. Don't they look yummy? And I will bring you back. Okay, I just wanted to show you how yummy this looks. And I'm gonna take a few pieces out and bring you back up so you can see me. And we're gonna do a taste test on it. And then I'm going outside to help Mr. R build a tunnel for Maggie May. Okay, here we are. Hi, Brenda, Maniac Grammie. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that bell because you never know what's going to be on my videos, and you get all the notifications when I put out a new video. And please share out my videos and give me a thumbs up because you never know what's going to be on my videos. And stay tuned. There's more side dishes to come. So here you go, right here. It's nice and toasty. Yummy. This is where the skin is. That's why it's a little darker. Wicked hot. Done perfect. I want to show you. When you can take your fork and you can just stick it in real easy, it's done perfect. Very, very good. So you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow with another side dish. Take care. Stay safe and healthy. Bye now.